Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. For this one, we can use about elliptical interval for the first guide. So we have the formula in here. That should be about the integration ds over the square root of 1 minus a multiplied by sine of s square. So this one we have f and we have s 8 and we put about c. So in this one we can apply the same. And we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. And now we have the final answer. And we know that this one you got about number 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.